Afternoon, everyone. Today I will talk about factor analysis and reliability analysis. These methods help researchers understand survey answers better. In this presentation, I will explain what relevant variables are, what FI is, what CFI is, and what Cronbach alpha means. Now let's continue. Okay. First, a length variable is something we cannot see directly. For example, motivation, job study, intelligence, or satisfaction. Okay. Because you cannot measure them directly, researchers use survey questions. These questions help understand how a person thinks or feels. For example, I enjoy learning new things. I want to open other students. The others help master the length variable. Okay? Continue. Exploring factor unknowns. Okay? AFA or AFA. Okay? Now let's talk about AFA. AFA means explorative factor analysis. This method groups similar questions together. If many questions have similar answers, they belong to the same group of factors. You also see sometimes called factor length. This shows how strongly a question belongs to a factor. Okay? Okay. A high number wins the question represents the group well. You also have the engine value. This number shows why important a factor is. Alpha and CFI. Now let's see the difference between alpha and zeta. Okay? Alpha explores the data. Okay? Here the data creates the groups. CEPA means confirmatory factor analysis. In CEPA, the researchers already has an idea before the analysis. Then the analysis checks if the idea is correct. So AFA explorers, CFA confirmers. Okay, continue. Model fit. In CEPA, researchers check something called model fit. This shows if the model works well with the data. In this example, performance should go with performance, mastery with mastery, and family with family. But because family is just problem, the model does not work very well. Okay, continued. Reality analysis. Okay, now let's talk about reality analysis. This means consistency. Researchers want to know if the questions in the same group work well together. For this, do we combine of? Okay, with twine overlay of 0.7, where is good. Okay, in this example, pharmacy has 0.73, mastery just 0.7, And these values are good, but family just 0.27. That is very low, so family is not a good group. Okay, continue. Item total statistics. Here you see your Japanese if one sanction is removed. If the results improves a lot, the question may have problems. In pharmacy, the results on the node change. This means the question work well together, but in the family, the relationships are very low, so the question do not remember the same things. Okay, and continue writing the results. And here you see how researchers write the result in a report. Researchers usually write the method, the number of factors, the results, and the Crowan's alpha values. Okay? And this will explain if the factors are good or not. Continues. Conclusion, final, to finish. Factor analysis helps group relate questions. Okay. EFA explores the data and SAFA checks if the model is correct. Correlation is important. Relate questions should have similar answers. Reliability analysis checks if the questions are coincident. Finally, this example shows that a group can appear in the analysis but still have problems, like the family factor. Thank you very much.